everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. For today's video, I'm making this crocheted hair scarf. They are all over my Pinterest and it's a beautiful pattern. I hope you guys will like it too. So watch the video till the end and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, I started uploading my travel videos into the YouTube short sections along with my crafts, so I hope you guys will like them as well. So let's get started with the video. So I'll start the project with this yellow cotton yarn and a 3 mm of crochet hook, and we are gonna make this middle part of this cute flower pattern. Make a magic ring and on the loop make 8 single crochet. And after making 8 single crochet, close the magic ring and finish the row with a slip stitch. Now we have this tiny center circle. Then for the second row, start with chain 3 and we will make total of 8 petals around the circle. Yarn over and pull the yarn like this 4 times in the same gap. Pull through all the yarns like this except for the last one and make a single crochet on this last one. Then make chain 3 and make the next petal on the next chain. Same way, yarn over and pull 4 times. In between each petals, we will make 3 chains. After total 8 petals, finish the row with a slip stitch. Now cut the yarn and pass it through, or you can continue with the same color as well. Now we have a really cute flower pattern. Now we will make the sides here. Take the other color and attach it in any of the gaps here. And make chain 3 and total 4 double crochet here. So we will have total 8 gaps and we will make 4 corners there. On the next space, make 3 double crochet. And after 3 double crochet, make 2 chains and 3 double crochet again on the same space. And this will be our first corner. Now we just have to follow this sequence and complete the entire circle. And at last make a slip stitch and finish the row. Now we have our cute and small granny square. I have made total 15 of them. Now we need to make some half granny squares like this. This will be exactly half of our previous granny square. Start with a magic ring and this time we will make only 6 single crochet on the length. and at last just tighten the ring like this. Second row will start with chain 3, yarn over and pull like last time 4 times in the same gap, and we will make only 4 petals here. And on the last chain we will make a chain 1 and a triple crochet. With the white color, make 4 double crochet on the first 2 space. Then make a corner again by making 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet, and on the last 2 space make 4 double crochet each. And we need 5 half squares, and now align them together like a triangle. Take a needle and attach them one by one like this. After attaching, this is how it's gonna look like. Already it looks really pretty. Then we just have to attach the strap on the corners. Attach a new piece of yarn on the corners and make 70 to 80 chains. Then to give the strap a thickness, I'm going to single crochet all on this 80 chains. Then cover the border, just doing single crochet all around just for a perfect finished look. Now for the major part of the triangle, I'm following this pattern of triple crochet followed by a double crochet cluster, skip the next 2 and a slip stitch. Just to give this a little waves around the scarves, you can totally avoid the step. And here is the final look. It looks really summery and a very comfortable product. I hope you guys like the video. Please do not forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching the video till the end. See you again on my next one. Bye bye.